In this series, we will cover some of the most common coding challenges for a software developer position and their solutions in JavaScript. For this first video, we will start off with a relatively simple, quick, and easy reverse string challenge for warm-up. In this challenge, you are given a string and you need to return a new string with reverse order of characters as provided in the examples here. So go ahead and try to solve the challenge on your own to practice. And if you're struggling, just fast forward to the answer. That way you're learning as much as possible different solutions and seeing patterns in how to actually approach these coding challenges. Hopefully you were successful and were able to reverse the string. Here is one solution that you could use to solve this coding challenge, and it relies on some of those built-in methods in JavaScript. The particular method that I am referring to is array prototype reverse. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to MDN and read up on it. So array prototype reverse is a method that reverses an array in place. So for example, we have an array here that has 1, 2, and 3 built in, and if you are going to reverse it, it's going to say 3, 2, 1. So how can we utilize that for this particular coding challenge? And here's exactly what we need to do. So we need to take a string and we need to take that string and make it into an array, like so. We have a string sound and we need to turn it into an array similar to this. Then we will have to use the reverse method on this particular array that we have just created, and it should return an array that is reversed like this. Then we will join the array back into a string, so that way it gives us back the reversed string that we're looking for, and that is exactly what we're going to return back. So now let's get into actual coding. What we're going to do is we're going to take in a string that we have passed in here as a parameter, and we're going to return string that we split like so. That way each one of the letters becomes an actual value within an array. And we are going to reverse this particular array that we have just created, and we're going to join that array back into a string, so that way we get an actual string that's spelled backwards as we wanted in the actual coding challenge that we have received. And this right here will give you the solution that you're looking for this particular coding challenge. However, some interviewers might tell you do not use any built-in methods such as reverse to actually reverse a string. So in the next video, what we're going to do is use a for loop to do the exact same thing and reverse a string without any built-in methods. Hopefully you have found this video helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.